What's up, Rebels? It is Chunky Monkey 40 here out on Lake St. Clair. Check this out. As I'm walking in, just parked, Redneck Nation, as soon as I'm headed out to the water. What's up, Brittany?
Hey.
Yeah, it should be pretty cool. I've never been out here before during winter. I've only been out during summer, and it's a blast. This is cool as shit. They're just having a good time. Check this out. It's just a massive empty parking lot. You can just do whatever you want in. Look at that. They dead ass had a bonfire on the lake. Look at this truck. That's cool. He's got an arrow as the antenna. That's sweet. This is awesome. It's not too cold out here.
It's actually not. It's more cold up there.
Yeah. And plus it's warmer today too than yesterday. Looks so much fun. I wish I had a snowmobile so bad.
Me too.
Yeah, this is awesome. Just how people just come out here and just start racing and doing whatever they want.
Hell yeah.
Fucking sender, bud. Blow the eardrums out of everyone on YouTube. Fucking send it, bud. He's just ripping on that four-wheeler. He's got a trailer out here. Holy crap.
Yeah, they bring trailers.
Doing donuts out there in the truck. When people say there ain't rednecks in Michigan, show them this shit. What you doing? Come on, bud. Quit picking it up. Just fucking send it.
Spanked it on the ground.
That's hilarious. That sled is sick. He keeps picking it up. That's so funny. Man, he's just ripping. Yeah, he's crazy. That sled is sweet. Yeah, I'm glad you invited me. Thanks. It's a lynx. That sled is cool. Ice is a little broke there, bud. Oh shit. He's stuck. Just get it, bud. Typical Dodge. Oh. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Good Samaritan. The guy who's pulling him out now? That's funny as hell. That three-wheeler is badass. Jackass. Oh, there we go.
Why me? I didn't tell you that.
Gotta lift it, then it'll do it. He's gonna do it again, isn't he? Give her another try, bud. Yeah. That dog's like, what the fuck is going on? Bunch of people over here.
No, that's a lot of damage.
He's gonna go this way, I think. This is what he's gonna try. Oh shit, it's already fucked. Just whistling diesel it, fuck it.
You'll make it, bro. You'll make it.
Yeah, I think he'd make it if he goes this way.
Going viral off all this bullshit.
Right? Yeah, this is cool. This is my first time out here before. Oh, I'm. He's ripping. Woo! Oh. Whoa! That was cold. Woo. Damn. That's cool. Thank you guys for watching. I do want to go back, not next weekend, but the weekend after. I want to try and go back with my brother, and I want to go get some more footage and go hang out. Because that was a lot of fun, only man, it was just so freaking cold, and I honestly wasn't well dressed for it. Plus, we had some other things to do as well. I just wanted to go and check it out and see what it was all about. But it was a blast, man. It was really cool. And the guys who we met, shout out to you guys. And also shout out to Brittany for coming along with me. That was a lot of fun. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more videos like this. And also go and check out chunkymonkey40.com/shop to get yourself some Stay Rebel shirts or Orange Cars Matter merchandise if you're interested. New merchandise is coming by springtime though. And with all that said and out of the way, I am ChunkyMonkey40 at youtube.com. Stay Rebel. Bug it.
Just some good old boys, never mean no harm.